Hi strangers, would you like to find out how to do your makeup like this today? Something very simple and quick? Then please keep watching. Hi strangers, yes, it is Makeup Madness Monday today and we're going to do some goth makeup. So stick around, let's find out what makeup I'm going to do today because I'm not sure yet. Probably a black and white look today. And yeah, let's get on and put on some makeup. So I have creamed my face and I have put on my foundation. The same one I use every time, which is this one right here. And we are going to be starting today with some soft black eyeliner. It's getting very tiny again now. You watch my videos, they get smaller and smaller until they get to this point. So I'm hoping that I will have a new one by next when we do makeup. And we're going to put on some eyeliner. And then we can play with other bits of makeup here. So soft eyeliner first. Okay, I don't want any black in the bottoms today, so I'm just going to wipe that off my inner lid because I've got some in there. Okay, doesn't matter if it's a bit blurry because I want it quite smudgy underneath my eye. Then I'm coming in with a white soft eyeliner. This one's really good and I've used it a lot. It's the same as the black ones but just in white. And I'm going to come along and do my waterline. Like so. Now I'm going to come in with using this palette, which I haven't used for a long time. This is the one I used to use a lot before. So I'm going to come in with this and I'm going to go for like a browny red, I think, today. So this colour maybe here, which is called Evil, of course. Just going to put that in over the top here. And I'm just going to blend it out as I go up a bit higher as well. And I'm going to bring it out slightly longer at the ends here. I've got it on the brush. I'm going to come underneath my eye as well because I want under here a little bit darker too. So I'm just going to use the same brush and bring it underneath my eye here. I'm going for a little bit of a grungier look today, which just means darker around the eyes. So we've got this kind of look going on. I'm going to go ahead and put some eyebrows on next. So I'm coming in with my liquid eyeliner. This is my favourite one. This is a matte waterproof lasting drama by Maybelline, and I'm going to put some brows on right now.
makeup madness.
Wow, look at these eyebrows. And I don't think they're the same either. Okay, they're fine for now. Next, I'm going to do some eyeliner. So, it looks so weird with these chunky eyebrows. Okay, so eyeliner next. Hopefully that will bring the colours together a bit, so I don't look so freaky. This one seems so much more chunky than the other. I might have to change that. So I've got quite hooded eyes here. I'm going to show you how to do your wing. So come out where you want to go and then come out as long as you want. And then as you bring it back in, you just swoop it around in the inside here. And then when you close your eyes, it looks like it's just joined up anyway. So, and that's how I do my wings or my hooded eyes.
No need to pretend, where darkness is our friend, style that won't end.
And on the other side. Okay, so this is what we've got at the moment. And now we're going to do some triangles here in the corners. See, the eyebrows don't look so big now because I have more dark on my face. Oh, it's scary just with the eyebrows. Very scary indeed. Okay.
Mondays never sadness, dancing through the blackness, Gothic makeup madness.
Now with the white eyeliner pen, I'm gonna go under my eyebrow with this. Now I'm just to highlight it a bit and to neaten up this line at the bottom. And then blend it out with my finger a bit so it's not so chunky across the bottom here. And the same the other side.
No need to pretend, where darkness is our friend, style that won't end. Master of mystery.
I like to do this step because it takes a little while for this mascara to dry, so I'm just going to pop that on now.
Gothic makeup madness, Mondays never sadness, dancing through the blackness, Gothic makeup madness.
And while that is drying, I'm going to do my lipstick. First I'm going to shape my face. I'm going to go in with my Radiance block here. I use this for shaping my face, so I'm just going to give my face a little bit more of a shape. Hide my jowls and try and make my face look a bit skinnier than what it is because I have got chunky. And I'm going to do my nose, my massive nose, try and make that look smaller too. Just coming down the sides very gently here, just to try and make it look a little bit smaller. And then do my lipstick. I am using Barry M like I always use. This is my favourite one, and the black stays on nearly all day, so now I'm just going to randomly draw some doodles into my face because that's what I like to do. Not sure what to do today though.
No need to pretend, where darkness is our friend, style that won't end.
We come in with some black eyeshadow now. This is called Gothic, of course, and I'm just going to come up over here and just blend this line out a slight bit more around here. Just really buffing that out. Just keep using the same what's on the brush, just sweeping it in that gap, just to darken it a slight bit more too. And a little bit more under here as well.
Gothic makeup madness, Mondays never sadness, dancing through the blackness, Gothic makeup madness.
So it looks like wings coming out of fog or mist or something. And I think I'm done. I'm going to go and put my lashes on and things, and I'll come back and show you what all finished. See you in a minute. So this is today's finished makeup look. I have just washed my hair, so it's a bit like all over the place and my fringe does need cutting again. But this is the finished makeup look for today. It's something very simple, something very quick that you can just put on. I think this took me about 20 minutes, so it's not too bad. So this is just a quick look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my little makeup madness video. Have a really lovely day and I'll see you later. Goodbye. And please don't forget, be weird, be yourself, and be different, because otherwise you're just boring. And I'll see you later. Goodbye. Bye bye bye.